Annyeonghaseyo, everyone! Welcome to Quirky Korean Cooking. Today we're making something totally unique, Kimchi Pancake Dumpling Fusion. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind.
Mira, let's not overhype it. But yes, it's a creative twist on two classic Korean dishes.
Wait, are we really combining pancakes and dumplings? That sounds ambitious, but I'm all in.
Alright, we start with the filling. Here's our finely chopped kimchi, green onions, and a touch of sesame oil for that nutty aroma.
Oh, it already smells amazing. Is it just me, or could I eat this filling by itself? Mira, you're supposed to wait. We haven't even started cooking yet. Okay, don't judge my dumpling skills, but these are, abstract art dumplings.
Abstract art? Mira, you're just folding them wrong. Watch me.
Come on, Mira, yours have character. Besides, once they're cooked, who will know?
Now for the pancake batter. It's light and crispy, with a touch of garlic and chili powder to complement the kimchi.
Ooh, that sizzle! There's something magical about hearing food cook, don't you think? Yeah, especially when it's Jin doing the flipping. Look at those perfect flips. Oh my gosh, this is seriously restaurant-worthy. The crispy pancake and spicy kimchi are just perfection.
Well, that's the beauty of Korean food, balancing flavors and textures in one bite.
Can I just say, this might be my new favorite dish? Jin, Mira, we've outdone ourselves today! If you loved this quirky recipe, smash that like button and subscribe for more food adventures.
And don't forget to try this at home. We'd love to hear how your dumplings turned out.
Seriously, share your stories in the comments. Let's keep the food conversation going.
If you enjoyed this adventure, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another epic story. Your support means the world to me. I've got more awesome content coming your way. Stay tuned for more adventures, tips, and fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Your enthusiasm keeps me going. Jecht DIY video signing off. Take care, everyone.